used to run through life without a plan, a restless heart just trying to be a man. Never knew what love was really for, till I heard your little heartbeat, now I know for sure. Before you came I prayed real hard at night, Lord, send me a daughter full of love and light. And when I saw your face, tears filled my eyes. You gave me more than I could ever realize. God gave me you, girl, my little light. You changed my world, made wrong feel right. I'm proud to be the man you call dad. You're the sweetest gift I ever had. So I thank the Lord for all he's done, and I pray you grow strong and loving, hun. Yeah, I never knew what life could be till God gave me you, girl. He gave you to me. Now I slowed down just to hear you sing. Your laugh, your smile, they fix everything. And every night I kneel and bow my head. The Lord keep her safe is what I've always said. You've got your mama's heart and fire too, but there's a piece of heaven shining through. I'll teach you right, I'll stand by your side, and I'll be your cowboy till the day I die. God gave me you, girl, my little light. You changed my world, made your wrong feel right. I'm proud to be the man you call dad. You're the sweetest gift I ever had. So I thank the Lord for all he's done, and I pray you grow strong and loving, hun. Yeah, I never knew what life could be till God gave me you, girl. He gave you to me. Someday you'll ride out on your own, but you'll never face this world alone. My love will be the boots beneath your feet, and my prayers will be the song you keep. God gave me you, girl, my angel child. You made this cowboy's heart go wild. I'm proud to be the man you call dad, forever thankful for the life we've had. So I'll keep praying every night and day that you grow strong and never stray. Yeah, I never knew what life could be till God gave me you, girl. He gave you